This time, I will talk about what designers need to get into the professional level. There are two things that must be prepared if you want to become a professional designer. Namely software and hardware. But you need to know that to become a professional designer, you have to prepare everything carefully. Because it involves efficiency, accuracy, and cost. It's not about hobbies anymore, it's about business. Talking about software, you must know what you will be dealing with. There is a very large prize that you have to spend there. It won't be easy, if you haven't earned anything yet. The well-known design software that you already know was created for professionals, so the price set is more expensive. So, for software needs, you have to consider it carefully, because there are still many alternative design software that are more affordable and some are even offered for free. Because the most important thing here is the man behind the gun. No matter how good the software you have, but your knowledge about design is still lacking, it will be useless. So, in short, you have to upgrade your knowledge about design first, before thinking about what software you will use. The second thing is the hardware. This is a very big investment when it comes to design business. Talking about PC, out there, many hardware companies, the needs of design, video editing, animation, and 3D design are very different from the needs of games. And what I have got is, there is a PC component that was created specifically for creators, especially for designers. What I already have here, this is a PC component that was created for creators. Here, I already have T-Create RAM, with T-Create M.2 SSD, and SATA SSD. My plan is to upgrade my PC component with these T-Create product from Team Group. I am interested in this T-Create RAM because its large capacity up to 64 GB. The first impression when looking at the physicality of this RAM is classic looking design with silver color. This RAM also has been awarded the Good Design Award 2020. Of course, this RAM is also equipped with 10 layers circuits design with professional anti-noise features. This is great for video editing and animation. For multitasking, RAM with 32 GB DDR4, with a frequency up to 3200 MHz. Whether you are editing hundreds of audio samples, billions of pixels of video, or running multiple virtual machines, it can respond instantly to offer a smooth experience. This RAM also has been implanted with a customized high-temperature resistant capacitor, so that it can withstand the high temperature caused by running large files, during creation and maintain a stable output voltage. And I have prepared for you a purchase link in the description if you are interested in this T-Create RAM. In addition to upgrading my PC, I have also prepared two types of storage, M.2 SSD and SATA SSD. The question is, why do I prepare two types of SSD? Because this M.2 SSD type, I will use it for system storage and software installation storage. And for the type of SATA SSD, I use it for data storage. What is more remarkable from this T-Create Classic M.2 PCIe SSD 1TB, is equipped with 3D TLC flash IC, with read speed up to 2100 MB per second and write speed up to 1600 MB per second. So, it's shortening your wait and convert time and improve work efficiency. It's perfect for system storage. Moreover, there are versions of 2 GB and 1 GB. Talking about storage, data safety is most important. Very large storage will be useless if our data is not safe. Well, this T-Create Classic M.2 SSD has been equipped with a combination of a highly reliable controller on the market with customized stable firmware to create the best highly stable SSD, and also supported by built-in high-rate LDPC, ECC functionality that ensures data safety and integrity in your work. With this, you're data free from errors, and the originality of the data is maintained. If you are interested in this T-Create M.2 SSD, I have prepared a purchase link in the description. For SATA SSD, I will use it as data storage. The capacity is the same as before, which is 1 TB. Because of its low write and read speeds, SATA SSD is most suitable for data storage. For data safety, this T-Create Classic SATA SSD 1 TB has also been equipped with customized and stable firmware for storage safety. That way, the data that you store on this SATA SSD can remain safe. And this SATA SSD has a built-in high-rate LDPC, ECC functionality. So, you can feel the atmosphere of the best work environment, so you can just focus on being creative, without feeling worried. I have also created a purchase link for this SATA SSD in the description. And after getting a product from Team Group that was created specifically for creators, I still have a wishlist that I will share with you. This wishlist is also a dream for creators. My wishlist is an Asus motherboard. Why did my choice fall on this motherboard? Apart from being a low budget, this motherboard has extraordinary specifications for creator and digital worker, and it was created specially for creators too. The first thing that impresses about this motherboard is it has powerful I/O, because a comprehensive array of powerful I/O ports enables quick data transfers and extensive storage options with flexible, hassle-free connectivity. This motherboard also has USB 3.2, Generation 2, plus HDMI 2.1, and DisplayPort 1.2 output. It would be great to bring out how Thunderbolt 4 and DisplayPort in is beneficial to connect all your devices together. If you are a streamer, then you will really need this dual 2.5G Ethernet, because of its ability to transfer extremely fast data, and its ability to stream high-resolution videos. In addition, this motherboard also features Creation First, a network optimization software that allows you to prioritize applications, in order to allocate more bandwidth to speed up essential apps and tasks. And supports PCI Express 4.0, 12+2 power stages, with high-quality alloy chokes and durable capacitors. This is the best choice for video editors and 3D artists. And the most interesting part is the two-way AI noise cancellation, which this motherboard has. So we don't need other additional audio devices to reduce noise. Because the component that works the most in a PC is the motherboard, so it must have trusted stability. This motherboard, tested for 24/7 operation, validated for extensive compatibility and equipped with safe slot for enhanced durability. You can leave your PC alone while it is rendering and you don't have to worry about damage to your motherboard. By the way, if you are interested in this motherboard, I have also made the purchase link in the description, along with the official website link. So the conclusion that I want to convey at the end of this video is that these two things, namely software and hardware, are important points when you want to become a professional designer. You must be smart in choosing the best equipment to support your professional work. Not only software needs that you have to consider, but also hardware that has stability, performance and aesthetic to help all your professional work. These two things are not only needed for designers but all creators in all fields. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on notifications for upcoming videos.